Hi, I'm Dawn Schroeder. I am the Executive Director for the Waynesville Area Chamber of Commerce in Warren County, Ohio. And we are also home to the 43rd Ohio Sauerkraut Festival. Let me tell you a few things about the Ohio Sauerkraut Festival. We're ranked 29th in the country for the best arts and crafts festivals. Out of 200 festivals, we're ranked 29th, and we're so proud of it. If you don't know anything about the Ohio Sauerkraut Festival, we are strictly an arts and crafts festival, also a food festival. So if you like sauerkraut, we have sauerkraut in some traditional and non-traditional ways, such as cookies, brownies, pie, fudge. We have cabbage rolls, we have Reubens, we have everything to tempt your taste buds for you to come down to the 43rd Ohio Sauerkraut Festival. And let me tell you this, we're also sponsored by our local bank, LCNB National Bank. They are our festival sponsor, they invest in our community, and we are proud to have them a part of our community. Also, our arts and crafts come from over 25 states, including Hawaii. So we get a wide variety of arts and crafts that come here. In Hawaii, they bring over jewelry, so you can get something just across the pond a little bit. So when you come to the Ohio Sauerkraut Festival, make sure you follow the shuttle signs. There's shuttle signs that are up at Wayne local schools. You can park up there and you can shuttle all day for $5 a carload. Come down, bring your walking shoes, and enjoy the festival. We are something to see. We don't have any carnival rides. We don't have any games of chance, but we are one of the biggest festivals and one of the premier festivals in Southwest Ohio. For more information about the Ohio Sauerkraut Festival, visit sauerkrautfestival.com or call the Waynesville Area Chamber of Commerce at 513-897-8855.